Ever wondered how to make the best egg pudding at home? Well, get ready to unlock the secret to a super rich and delicious homemade custard pudding. Picture this: a smooth, velvety custard with a soft caramel topping that melts in your mouth and leaves you wanting more. Sounds heavenly, doesn't it? And the best part is, it's easier to make than you might think, and you'll only need a few simple ingredients. First off, you'll need 4 large eggs. Break them into a bowl and beat them gently until the yolks and whites blend together. Remember, don't whisk too hard. We're going for a smooth blend, not a frothy mixture. Next, add half a cup of sugar to the eggs. Stir it in until it's well combined. Now it's time to add the milk. You'll need 2 cups of whole milk for a rich and creamy pudding. Pour it slowly into the egg mixture, stirring continuously to ensure it's well incorporated. Now let's add a little something extra. A teaspoon of pure vanilla extract will give your pudding an exquisite depth of flavor. Stir it in, and your pudding mixture is ready. The next step is making the caramel. In a saucepan, melt half a cup of sugar over medium heat. Once it turns a beautiful amber color, remove it from the heat and pour it quickly into your pudding molds. Swirl it around to coat the bottom of the molds evenly. This will form the delicious caramel layer on top of your pudding. Now, it's time to pour your pudding mixture into the molds. Do this carefully to avoid disturbing the caramel layer. Once done, cover each mold with aluminum foil. Next, steam the puddings. Place the molds in a steamer and steam over medium heat for about 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when a skewer inserted into the pudding comes out clean. Once they're done, remove the molds from the steamer and let them cool down. Then refrigerate them for at least 2 hours. This will help the pudding set and develop a firmer texture. And there you have it, a delicious homemade egg pudding that's sure to impress. The creamy, velvety custard pairs perfectly with the rich caramel topping, creating a dessert that's as delightful to eat as it is to look at. To recap, you'll need 4 large eggs, half a cup of sugar for the pudding, and another half for the caramel, 2 cups of whole milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The pudding needs to be steamed for 20 minutes, and then refrigerated for at least 2 hours. So, why not give it a try? Making the best egg pudding at home is simpler than you think, and the results are absolutely worth it. Enjoy!